Hello everyone. Today we will learn about genes and alleles. Let us first see what genes are. Genes are nothing but they are sequence of nucleotides which on transcription forms mRNA and the mRNA on translation forms the protein. For example, let us consider a gene A in this chromatid. This gene A will have certain nucleotide sequence in this form. For example, we have taken the sequence as ATGCA. So this nucleotide sequence will be called a gene only if it forms a protein, and that protein should be functional. That means it should show some character or it should be able to express itself. But if we have to see in detail, we can also define a gene as a sequence of nucleotide which on transcription forms the mRNA, and the mRNA on translation forms the protein which is functional or which is able to express itself. Therefore, in simple terms, we can define gene as a sequence of nucleotide which codes for a functional protein, or they are the region of DNA which has information. So this is the definition of gene. Let us see about alleles. What are alleles? Alleles, on the other hand, are copies of particular gene that have the same function, that have the same position, but different parental origin. And alleles always occurs in pair. For example, if you see in this figure, the alleles may be in this form, they may be in this form or in this form. Here we can see that the two genes, capital A and capital A, have the same function. They have the same function and they have the same position. They have the same position. But they occur from different parental origin. Means this one comes from the mother and this one comes from the father side. So they have the same function, they have the same location, but they come from different parental origin. But if we see in this figure, many people will get confused that these are also alleles. Though they have the same character, or the same function or the same position, but they are of one parental origin only. They are of one parental origin. Why they are of one parental origin? Because they have a single chromosome and they are called as sister chromatids. So the position of the genes should always be in the non-sister chromatids. So since it does not fulfill the above criteria, they are not called genes. For a gene to be called allele, they should have the same function, they should have the same position, but they should come from different parental origin. So we can define allele as alternate or mutant form of a gene which are present on non-sister chromatids. So these genes should always be present on the non-sister chromatids. These are non-sister chromatids. Or we can say they are homologous chromosomes. So we can also define allele as any form of two genes which occur on the same locus in the two homologous chromosomes.